Hello everyone, I'm going to show you one of these solutions that will help you to fix this problem that you have on Telegram. Just you should follow and watch this video till the end. Open first your settings of your mobile phone. Click on apps option and search for Telegram and click it. Here you're gonna see this list, scroll it down and click storage. Click on clear cache only and you should back. Click right now at force stop and click OK. So come to Play Store or App Store and update Telegram. Restart now your device and that's it. So don't forget to like, also subscribing and